everybody, this is Chuck Blount with the Express News Taste Team, and welcome to another edition of Chuck's Food Shack. Today what we're going to talk about is something that is super easy to do in your backyard, in your oven, on your smoker, whatever it is you want to do, and that is make beef jerky. Here's the thing, it's very, very easy to make it yourself. All you have to do is get rid of the water, cook it at the right temperature, season it, and you're ready to go. Now first off, what cuts make good beef jerky? What you want to start with is beef cuts like this. Top round, eye of round, bottom round, those are all good cuts. What you want are cuts that have very little to no fat on them. Other good ones are flank steak, which, really thick cut of steak. You can also use sirloin. The key is fat is your enemy, because when you're making jerky, you want to dehydrate all of that water out of the meat. So what we're going to do is we want to marinate the meat overnight in like a sauce. Usually a lot of your sauces are going to be big on kosher salt, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and then spices, like onion powder, garlic powder, honey. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. Chopped jalapeno, a lot of different ways you can do this, but the key is you want that overnight marinade. Put all the meat in a bag, slice it really thin. Your butcher or your grocer will cut this thin for you. They will slice it. That takes a lot of the work out of the equation. And then once we do all that, we marinate it overnight, then we put it into a smoker. And we'll get to that in a second. Okay, if we have our oven or our smoker or our grill set to 160 degrees, we put our meat on there, and then it's just a waiting process. We're gonna go about 3 hours, 3.5, and what we're just trying to do is we wanna cook the jerky to where it has this type of texture. It has maybe a little bit of give, but not much. These are your slices. It's okay if they're really crispy too. And if you got your strips, look, they're not bending. This jerky is pretty much ready to go. You can take it off the grill, take it off the smoker, take it out of the oven, let it rest for about an hour, bag it up, and you got snacks for the rest of the week. And this stuff will keep for a while, but let's not kid ourselves, you're probably gonna finish it the day you cook it all. At least what my family does. All right, jerky, super simple. All you need is a low cooking temperature, meat without fat, and after that it's just to customize it with your marinade and you're good to go. This is Chuck Blount with Chuck's Food Shack, and we'll see you next time.